In front of me is CHUWI HiPad X, and let me show you how to block a number on this device. So at first, open your phone dialer, then tap on More icon and select Settings. Here you will notice block numbers, and as you can see here, you can either block all unknown colors by using this top switcher, or you can add some particular number here, so just tap on Add a number, and now you can provide a number that you would like to block. And tap on Block. And that's it. From now on, this number will not be able to reach you. To remove this number from your block list, just tap on cross icon and tap on Unblock. And that's it. That will be all. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.